Welcome to Guided by Ninja. This is a session to help you restore trust in yourself, a practice to dissolve self-judgment, to make peace with what has passed, and to reclaim your sense of worth and inner trust. Through breath, intention, and the vast expanse of 9 heavens, you lift the weight that has pressed upon you and open space to forgive, to believe, and to begin again. Before we begin, choose an area where you feel at comfort and uninterrupted. Sit tall, letting your body be upright without effort. Let your chest be free, your jaw unbound, your hands resting naturally. Close your eyes or lower your gaze. Welcome quiet to flow through you like a wide sky at dusk. Let your breathing settle into its own rhythm. Each inhale expanding, each exhale dispersing. With each breath, we will count down from 64 to 1, a gradual descent into your own center. Allow each number to move with your breath. With every inhale, widen the space within you. With every exhale, dissolve the doubt you no longer need. Inhale, exhale, 64. Inhale, exhale, 63. Inhale, exhale, 62. Continue counting silently in your mind. Now, as your count reaches 1, let the rhythm of your breath carry you in a natural pace. Let your awareness open above you, as if the sky itself is waiting. I invite 9 heavens, the great expanse, that lifts my spirit, that shows me what lies beyond self-doubt, and stretches my vision beyond limitation, to carry my spirit into wider possibility. With this presence, the burden of judgment lightens. The shadows of regret grow smaller. The criticism I once held against myself begins to fade. Here, forgiveness finds room to breathe. Here, compassion rises where blame once lived. Here, the faith in myself can rise again. I acknowledge the doubts that have weighed on me. I recognize the mistakes I have carried too long. I see the blame I have turned inward, and now I allow them to pass. I let them loosen their hold, like clouds moving across a vast sky. I forgive myself for what I could not see then. I make peace for myself for the times I faltered. I release blame for moments when I forgot my own value. Trust begins to return, not as something new, but as something that has always lived within me. I can believe in my choices again. I can stand in the truth of who I am. I can walk onward with confidence in myself. From forgiveness, I discover the stability within. From compassion, I gain clarity about my importance. From self-trust, I draw strength that carries me forward. I no longer measure myself by past mistakes. I recognize the value that lives within me. I welcome the path ahead with confidence in who I am. I affirm within. I honor who I am. My worth is steady and unshaken. I step into tomorrow with certainty. Return slowly to the room around you. Take one deep breath in and let it all fall away with ease. What you have reclaimed stays with you. The harshness is behind you. The doubt has loosened. You rise carrying assurance in your own being. When you are ready, open your eyes gently and step back into your day, knowing you can rely on yourself.